Hello, everyone. The world feels like it's going pretty fast right now. Things are shifting and changing, and I don't know about you, but I can feel layers dropping away from me, forcing me more and more into sort of unfamiliar territory. And while some of you might have a good daily yoga practice or walk with the dogs or something that is really grounding for you, we do need that. We need a daily practice that keeps us grounded and solid and anchored. Sometimes it is good to carve out a bit more time. And I am just like, I can feel my body giddy about the upcoming cleanse that starts next Monday. Every fall I go into this place, and every year it gets not only easier, but I crave it. I crave the reset that it creates in my body. And today, Sheena and I met this morning and put the finishing touches on what is going to unfold for everyone who participates with us next week. We got our extra castor oil packs, so if anyone's not in our live group and they want to join the $99 bargain cleanse with us and still wants the castor oil, you can reach out and find that with me. But it's just going to be a really solid intentional time to create change in your life and to move in whatever's coming for us next. And I don't know if it was coincidence or how the universe planned things, but on the very last week of the cleanse, Jody and I are hosting a yoga retreat. I should actually call it an Ayurveda retreat at Schott's Lake, which is just north of Cochrane outside of Sundre on a beautiful acreage land and campground and mini motel and a gorgeous lodge where we can fit a small group of people. And we're going away for 3 days. And it just feels perfect to be able to cap end this cleanse experience with something that's a really, really deep dive into planning and setting intentions and designing what goes forward from here. It feels amazing. So Jody and I dug out our Ayurveda and we found the details we wanted to put in our workbook, and we have a beautiful 40-page workbook coming out for that experience. You can see the poster on my back wall. That poster will be in an 8x11 version for everyone who's at that Schott's Lake retreat. Just good stuff. Ayurveda gives you a lens on life, and when you use this lens, then you are continually designing from a really aligned space. You're continually creating and making decisions and stepping forward with more information on how you can take care of your health and well-being. If this sounds like something you want to be in on, if it sounds like it's something you want to participate in, then you can sign up for the cleanse on my website. You can sign up for our retreat on Alchemy Yoga's website. So you're either accessing Jill Novak Yoga for the cleanse under events, or you're going to workshops and events under Alchemy Yoga and looking for the retreat. But the design of these next 3 weeks is absolutely stunning. Sheena and I have a few spots left. We're going to go to the cave at the very end of the cleanse experience here in Cochrane. And we have a few spots left if people wanted to join us at the cave. So there's different ways to be involved. If you need to, just DM me and find out the details and how you can participate. And if fall is calling you to reset the same way it's calling me to reset, then I invite you to be here with me. It's going to be pretty powerful this year. It's almost like I can feel it. Thank you. And I look forward to seeing anyone who cares to be involved.